Hi everyone, I'm Valerie with the Tillamook County Library, and April is Poetry Month. So today I'm going to show you how to do some blackout poetry. First things you need are a pencil, Sharpie markers, an old book or a newspaper or something that you don't mind tearing up, and a notepad. So blackout poetry is basically the art of removing all the words you want from a page, and what's left is the poem that you create. It's kind of a subliminal thing. First thing you do is you look through your book and you find a page that has words that stand out to you, that really pop. And those ones are ones that are speaking to your subconscious. So when you find those, you underline them. And I went through and underlined several words. You may not use them all, but underline them, go through. Don't read the page, just underline, scan, and look for things that stand out to you. Next thing you do is you take those words and you write them down on a pad of paper. Now what you're looking for is some kind of flow to the words to create a poem. So the words that stand out to you, you'll start to see a pattern. You can cross some words out, others leave in, maybe go back and add in a word like a the or an and that would make it flow better for you. Then once you have that, you take your Sharpie marker and you go through and you cross out everything that is not part of your poem, everything that is not words that you want. And that can be as simple or as artistic as you want. Let me show you some examples here of some blackout poetry. This is a very simple, basic blackout poetry. You can see they've left the words in that they want and darkened everything else. It can be just as simple as that too. Now, if you want to get more artistic, if you have a little artistic flair, you can doodle on it. This is one that I did. I like to do Zentangles, so I did some Zentangle above and below. This one was about nature, ended up being about nature and sunsets. So there you go. This is one very basic one that I did, and instead of using my Sharpie marker, I used washi tape. You can use anything to block out whatever you want, but it's a lot of fun, and it creates a poem that you didn't even know was there out of a page. And a lot of people think they can't do poetry, but you can, trust me. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you give it a try at home and hope to see you soon. Bye.